Hello students, myself Mrs. Kirti Pramod Sapare, and today we are going to see second part of the topic sales promotion, learning objectives. That is, after completion of this video, the students will be able to define advertising, give its objectives, media's advantages and disadvantages, explain advertisement of pharmaceutical products, and describe methods of advertisement of pharmaceutical products. Advertising. Advertising is an art to familiarize public with the products by informing its description, uses, price and superiority over other brands, etc. It is paid form of communication. Objectives of advertising, that is why advertising is required or why it is needed. First objective, that is to create a demand for a new product by explaining its utility. Second, that is to attract the new customer and to increase sale of the product. Third, to maintain existing demand by fighting competition. Fourth, to assist salesmen in their selling efforts. Fourth, to warn the public against imitation of the products of the firm. Sixth, that is to enhance goodwill of the firm. Seventh, to make special offers through sales promotion. Next, advantages of advertisement. First advantages, it helps in the introduction of new product in the market. It promotes the sale of goods and services by persuading the people to buy them. Third, to create the demand and helps to maintain regular production. It improves firm's reputation in the public by highlighting the achievements of the company. It improves standard of living of the people. It enables the firm to face the competition in the market for its survival. It provides information and also educates the consumers to buy better quality goods at lower prices. It generates employment opportunities for artists and other persons in the line. It provides revenue to newspapers, magazines, Doordarshan and radios. It increases the production, which in turn reduces the overhead expenses, and it helps in bridging down the gap between selling price of the goods. It helps in the expansion of a market by introducing new product. It maintains uniformity and stability of the prices. Disadvantages of advertising. This advertising has many disadvantages. First, it multiplies the needs of the people by inducing them to buy things which they do not really need or cannot afford to buy. It does not necessarily increases the demand and sale of product, but it simply shifts the demand from one product to another product. It involves huge wasteful expenditure because majority of people ignores the advertisement. It increases cost of production of the product. Many times facts are misinterpreted in the advertisement, and it confuses the customer to go for an appropriate brand. Medias for advertising. First media, that is press advertisement, example newspaper and magazine. Next is literature advertisement, example letters, circulars, catalog and leaflets. Third, external advertisement, example posters on the walls and electric displays. Miscellaneous advertisement, example television, radio, window display, cinema slide and video cassettes, etc. Advertisement in a pharmaceutical industry. Majority of pharmaceutical drugs are schedule H drug. The customer cannot use medicine without proper prescription of physician. Pharmaceutical products are ethical products and their direct advertisement is prohibited. According to Drug and Magic Remedies Act, The general products, home remedies, OTC product, that is over the counter products like pain balm, inhalers, iodex, antiseptic cream and other products which do not require a prescription for their purchase can be advertised by any one method of direct method of advertisement. But the advertisement should be truthful. There should not be any wrong statement regarding its content and the percentage. It should provide full details regarding actions, uses, proprietary name as well as generic name, dosage form, mode of administration, side effect, treatment of toxic effects, precautions and contraindications. The above statement should be truthful, scientifically correct and proved. Methods of advertising of pharmaceutical products. Pharmaceutical products can be advertised by any one of these six methods of direct advertisement. First, direct mailing, newspaper, professional magazines and journals. Third, television, radio and other audio-visual media. Fourth, most important, that is personal contact or pharma detailing, outdoor advertisement and miscellaneous advertisement. Let's start with the first method of direct advertisement, that is direct mailing. In this method, mailing list of registered medical practitioners or chemist or druggist is prepared. Letters, leaflets, folders or catalogs are sent to them regularly through mail to inform them about the details of products manufactured by the firm. Advantages: mail advertising or direct mailing has personal appeal as it is addressed to a particular person. It maintains the secrecy. And main drawback of this technique that it has limited coverage. Second method, that is newspapers, professional magazines and journals. All they are highly regarded as effective medias for print advertising. Advantages: it has short lead time, that is they reaches to the public daily. It has low cost. It has wider audience as they are reaching to each and every part of the world. They are very effective method of print advertisement. Magazine has high quality images. It targets specific industries and it has long life. Television, radio and other audio visual medias. Television is the latest and fast growing medium of advertising. It is very effective method as it appeals both eyes and ear. The product can be demonstrated and explained on the television in a very effective way. But it is very costly method of advertising. Radio advertising is becoming more popular these days and the advertisements are generally transmitted through commercial services of All India Radio. Advantages: radio advertisement carry an effective appeal as they reach out to all the sections of society. People can listen them even they are busy with other activities. The big pharmaceutical companies generally sponsor entertaining programs on televisions and radios to popularize themselves and their products. Next, personal contact or detailing. The pharmaceutical manufacturers engage persons like medical representative for making personal contacts with prescribers and they influence prescriber to favor their products. But this method is costly. Reasons for preference of pharma detailing by big pharmaceutical companies. First, it provides an opportunity to inform about new products. It helps to refresh the memory regarding old products. It helps to clear any doubt in the minds of physicians. It helps to have a feedback from physicians. And it provides an opportunity to demonstrate and explain the product very effectively for medical representative. Outdoor advertisement. This type of advertisement is becoming very popular nowadays. Outdoor advertisement means exhibition of advertisement at street corners, railway station, bus stand or on a moving vehicles etc. Methods, that is skywriting, posters or hoardings, sandwich men, transit advertising, electric signs and neon signs. First method of outdoor advertisement, that is skywriting. It is modern method of advertising. Balloons printed with message and illustrative pictures are flown in the sky. In advanced countries, aeroplanes are also used to display the illuminated banners containing the message in the open sky during late evenings. Next method of outdoor advertisement, that is posters or hoardings. The posters are pasted or otherwise exposed to view on walls, roadside, street corners, bus terminus, railway stations, etc. The message may be printed on a paper or written on a metal sheet. The message should be very brief so that it can be read within few minutes. Third method, sandwich men. They carry posters containing message to be advertised and move in the different localities of the city. They are dressed in a fancy attires and carry on posters. They shout slogans or beat drums to attract the attention of the public. Fourth method of outdoor advertisement, that is transit advertising. The advertisement is done by traveling displays and car cards. Traveling displays are advertisements which are displayed outside the moving vehicles, while car cards are present inside the vehicles like inside buses or trains etc. Outdoor advertisement, last method, that is electric signs and neon signs. These signs are generally installed on the rooftops or at the busy street corners or crossings in order to draw the attention of public. They are visible in the night, but this method is very costly. Last method of advertisement of pharmaceutical product. Sixth method, that is miscellaneous advertisement. Many pharmaceutical firms offer gift items to the physicians and retailers to pass on selective customers. These items may be diaries, ball pens, pen holders, keychains, paperweights, calendars, etc. These articles are of daily use. Therefore, they continuously remind their users about the firm and its product. Generally, name and address of advertiser is printed or inscribed on these items. These are the references for today's topic. We will soon start last part of the topic, sales promotion. Thank you for the patience.